Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Just earlier this morning, I made a video about circles on a curve, and I from our friend Eskimo, and I don't understand why he watches my videos, but I appreciate it. And in that video, I created circles, and when it does that, it leaves these little lines. They're easily removed, but if you want to not have those lines, let's just delete this one. Right here, I have this checked and I should not, well, depending on what you want to do, uncheck that. So I'm doing 1/2 inch circles, 1 inch apart, and I'm going to go create circles. And this time it did not leave those little lines. So you're good to go. And this is a really cool, you know, macro. I mean, there's so much you can do with it. And if you didn't watch part one of this, it really explains how good this macro is versus object to path and versus the blend tool. But right there, and I still haven't played around with everything. I mean, there's some other things that could be done. Anyway, hope that little bit of information helped, and thank you for watching.